Remember those textures we practiced? Now I'm going to show you how to turn simple forms into objects that appear real. In the last lesson, we created a texture chart and practiced different mark making techniques like stippling, hatching, and scribbling. But now, it's time to use those textures to bring our drawings to life. Remember, texture is how something feels or looks like it feels. There are two main types of texture. Real texture is the physical texture that you can touch, like the rough surface of a tree trunk. There's also implied texture, which is a drawing, painting, or photograph of a real texture, like this drawing of a wood grain table. I'll start with 4 basic 3D forms: a cube, cylinder, cone, and a sphere. I have a free printable available as a download if you would like a copy of the forms you see here. These are the same forms we made in our last lesson on form, plus a new one, a sphere. Let's start with the cube. I will use the hatching technique or short lines to turn this cube into a wood block. Texture can help us tell what the object is made of. I'm continuing with the hatching technique to make a shadow on the opposite side of the light source, and also on the bottom of the cube. Next, I'll add stippling or teeny dots to this cylinder. This technique will make the cylinder appear as if it's wrapped in sandpaper. The dots create a bumpy texture. The closer the dots, the darker the value. Same shape, different texture. On the cone, I'll use the scribbling technique to make a soft texture. The scribbling technique can be used when drawing fur or fabric. It appears soft to the touch. I'll use the cross-hatching technique to add texture to the sphere. It will make the sphere appear fuzzy or prickly. This works well if you're drawing something soft and fluffy, like a stuffed animal. Notice that I didn't change the shape, I only changed the marks, and that completely changed what the object looks like. Now it's your turn. Draw at least one form and transform it by using 3 different textures. There is no wrong way to do this, just experiment and have fun with your marks. And if you haven't made your texture chart yet, go back and watch the previous video titled How to Draw Texture for Kids. I'll see you in the next lesson.